At HILTI, we strive for change. Around the world, our innovations have shaped how work is done on today's job sites. Today, our ambition remains as strong as ever, to drive productivity through innovation. With BIM, we've already entered the age of digital planning. What if we could use the same data to not only streamline processes, but simplify trade collaboration and automate repetitive and strenuous tasks? Now our vision becomes reality. Introducing the HILTI Jaibot, a semi-autonomous drilling robot for ceiling installations, helping you to deliver MEP projects on time. Let's not wait for the future to come. Let's shape it together.
We build the same way our grandparents did, with our own two hands. But the tools in our hands change. Built Robotics has developed the most advanced tool available on any job site today, the Exosystem. It transforms any excavator into a fully autonomous robot made to dig the earth. It's powered by a liquid-cooled computer with sub-centimeter RTK GPS, high-efficiency solar panels, an all-weather, all-terrain design. And you can easily switch from manual to AI mode with a flick of a switch. But most importantly, it can dig. Does the idea of an 80,000-pound robot scare you a little? You'd be crazy if it didn't. That's why we've developed an 8-layer safety system with 360-degree camera coverage, proximity radar, 110 decibel safety alarms, ultra-bright LEDs, high-vis barriers, a digital geofence, and hardwired and wireless emergency stops. Because when it comes to safety, more is more. We're here because of the builders who came before us. They created the world we live in, our roads, our cities, our homes. And when they needed a tool to overcome a new challenge, they invented it. Now, it's our turn.
From mining to construction, topographical surveying is essential for getting the job right. The rise of drone technology is changing the way surveying is done, making it accessible to a wide range of industries. Drones offer enormous opportunities for surveyors and GIS professionals. With the help of drones, it is possible to carry out surveys and process and deliver surveying data in a timely, accurate, and safe way. Using drones for surveying and mapping has many advantages. Time saving. Traditional surveys can take days, if not weeks. With the power of drones, a survey can be completed in hours, and the collected data and imagery can be processed on the same day. This means that you spend less time in gathering data and taking the right decisions. Cost effective. The acquisition and operating cost of a drone survey is much lower than that of surveys through satellites and manned aircraft. The technical requirements for the site and personnel are also low, and the daily maintenance is simple. These factors eventually reduce the cost of data acquisition. Accessibility. With the help of drones, you can easily survey those areas that are otherwise difficult or even impossible to access. For cliffs, rugged terrain, and other areas where conventional surveying is challenging and time-consuming, drones offer a great advantage. Accuracy. Some of the most important parameters of surveying are spatial resolution and low-altitude multi-angle shooting. The spatial resolution can reach decimeters or even centimeters and can be used to construct accurate digital models and 3D landscape maps. Safety. Land surveying can be a risky job. Drones eliminate the need for surveyors to explore unknown terrain and can be helpful in avoiding high-risk places such as railway lines and rocky terrains.